This is SMKM 2019 paper 1 question. I'll be doing the whole page in one video. So basically, I think I will have about maybe 11 or 12 instead of doing each and every question in a single video. So the first one, which number is round off correctly to two significant figure? So just look at, I just make a trial for 730. If it's two significant figure, you count from the first number, 1, 2. This 6, you need to add 1 to it. So this is 7400, and this is not correct. If it's a decimal point, the first number is 1. So two significant figure is 1 and 3. After that, 6, you need to add 1. So this is 0.014, which this is not the answer. So I try D, 0.0126, two significant figure, you add 1 is 0.013. Yes, so this is the answer. Okay, in order for you to express this, okay, 0.0027 into standard form, you need to make the number in between 1 to 10. So it is 2.7. So 2.7 compared to this number is bigger. So you need to make this number smaller. How small it is? See how many spaces that it moves. 1, 2, and 3. So this is 10 power of -3. So the answer is A. Okay. The next one, you can actually use your calculator to calculate, to press, but I'm going to do the conservative way. It's 3.6 times 10 power of -6 over, I need to put 2, change this into standard form. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is times 10 power -4, because this number goes bigger, numbers go smaller. Okay, you can look at this, okay, 3.6 divided by 2 is 1.8 times index -6, bring this up will be minus -4, so it's 1.8 times 10 power of -2. So the answer is D. Number 4 is actually one of the most difficult questions for those who only take modern maths. So let me read this properly. It is given that 20 solid metal cylinders. So I will draw a cylinder out, okay? A cylinder. Cylinder is like that. And the formula is pi r square h, okay? So there are 20 of them. I just write 20. Okay, radius, good. Radius is 70. And the height is 300, okay? 300. So I'm melted to make 50 identical solid spheres. So you know you have 20 of these, combine all together, which is this, combine all together, and then you melt it into 50. So of course you need to divide by 50 because you need to melt it to make 50 identical solid sphere. So find the volume of each sphere, right? So this is the formula. So pi, you use 22/7 times 70 squared times 300 times 20 divided by 50. So if I pressed pi times 70 squared times 300 times 20 divided by 50, and your answer will be 1847256.48. so this is about a million. So I make it into 1.85 over here, and then I move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6. The number becomes smaller, so this one has to be bigger. So the answer is 1.85 times 10 to the power 6. The answer is A. Okay. So the next one is actually, this is number base, 24430, okay, so you write 24305, and you look at this, you need to write the value digit, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. You see this 2 times 5 power 3 is actually written over here, good, 4 times power of 2 is also written over here, and this is 5 power of 1, which is this, multiplied by 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Similarly, this one you can actually use a calculator to calculate, but I'm going to write this out just to explain it to you. 1 plus 1 is 2. You have to write as 1 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. You have to write 1, 1. This is 1, 1, and 1. The answer is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right? Thank you for watching.